Burgers. Is there anything better? They're juicy, meaty, and oh so satisfying. And guess what? You don't need to go to a fancy restaurant to enjoy a fantastic burger. Nope, you can make one yourself, right in your own kitchen. It's easier than you think, promise. Ready to become a burger master? Let's do it. We're going to have some fun and make some delicious food. Are you excited? I know I am. Let's get started. Okay, before we fire up the grill or stovetop, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, we're keeping it simple. Beef mince or ground beef is the star of the show. Look for mince with a good fat content, around 20% for juicy burgers. Burger buns should be soft and fluffy. For toppings, let your imagination run wild. Cheese, lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, bacon, you name it. Salt and pepper are our flavor enhancers. See, nothing too crazy. We like to keep things simple and delicious. Now that we've got our ingredients sorted, let's move on to the fun part, making the patties. All right, time to get our hands a little messy. But hey, that's what cooking is all about, right? Grab a big bowl and plop in your beef mince. Now, sprinkle over a generous pinch of salt and a good crack of black pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning. Now here comes the fun part. Use your clean hands to mix everything together. Gently combine the mince, salt, and pepper until it's all evenly distributed. But don't overwork it, we don't want tough burgers. Next, divide the mixture into equal portions. Now, gently shape each portion into a patty, making sure it's slightly larger than your burger buns. Section 4. The sizzle and flip. Are you ready for the sizzle? Heat up your grill or a large skillet over medium-high heat. A hot cooking surface is key for a good sear on your burgers. Carefully place your patties onto the hot surface. Listen to that satisfying sizzle. Now here's the important part. Don't press down on the burgers with your spatula. We want them to stay nice and juicy. Cook the burgers for about 4 to 5 minutes per side for medium rare, or longer if you prefer them more well done. You can use a meat thermometer to check for doneness. 160 degrees Fahrenheit for well done. Once your burgers are cooked to your liking, remove them from the heat and let them rest for a few minutes. This lets the juices redistribute, making for an even tastier burger. Section 5. Burger Brilliance, Extra Tips. Want to take your burgers from good to amazing? Try these tips. Create a small indent in the center of each patty before cooking. This prevents them from plumping up in the middle. Toast your buns for extra texture and flavor. Don't be afraid to get creative with your toppings. Remember, the best burger is the one you enjoy the most. Now go on, get cooking. Section 6. Burger time is the best time. See? Making delicious beef burgers at home isn't hard at all. With a few simple ingredients and some easy steps, you can create a burger masterpiece that'll impress your friends and family. So fire up that grill, gather your toppings, and get ready to bite into the juiciest, most flavorful burger you've ever had. Happy cooking!